So guys, sharing this is one more video has been came on the LeetCode Cam channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 619. Okay, and by the name of biggest signal number. So yeah, we are solving this question, and we are solving this question in MySQL, by the way. And we are solving this question in the MySQL, and you are thinking why in the previous video I solved 617 question, but now I directly shifted onto the 619 because 618 question is locked, so that's why I do not solve it. Okay, so and this is an easy win question which we are solving, and total 1.1 million people have submitted it, and only sorry, not 1.1 million people it. Okay, let me tell you that total 5,91,000 people have submitted it, and only 4,12,000 has been accepted, and total acceptance rate is 70%. Okay, and there are one topic has been only be included by the name of database. Like in these type of question there is only one topic has been included by the name of database. Okay, and it have been given me two examples. Okay, so first of all we read our first example, then second example. So please see this video start to end because it is very important. Okay, so now let's move to computer screen and let's start to solve this question. And by the way, if you do not follow me on my LinkedIn page, so follow me, and for paid promotions and any business inquiries, you will be email me at my email by the name of rayyanbig1253@gmail.com. So now let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing it. Guys, let's start with today's videos. In today's video, we are solving our question number 619 by the name of biggest signal number. So we are solving this question in MySQL. So let's start. Here he created one table by the name of my numbers, in which the column name is num and the type is integer. Okay, what is the meaning of this table? This table contains duplicates. In other words, there is no primary key for this table in SQL. Each row of this table contains an integer. Okay, and a single number is a number that appeared only once in a my numbers table. And we want to find the largest single number. If there is no single number, then we report the null. Okay, and now the result format is in the following example. In the example 1, here is one my numbers table in which the num is 8, 3, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, and the output having coming in the num 6. Why? Because the single numbers are 1, 4, 5 and 6. Since 6 is the largest single number, we return it. Okay, so that's why this output has been coming. If we example 2, here we get one integer my numbers table, in which here he created one num in which he wrote it down 8, 8, 7, 7, 3, 3, 3, and the output I am coming num and null. Why? Because there are no single numbers in the input table, so we return null. So that's why. So I hope you understand the question, and I highlighted some main words which we want to see: the single number, and single number. This single number is very important, so please highlighted it. Okay, and now what we're gonna do now, let's try to solve this question anyway. So now let's come to the previous question which we have solved it, and this question has been logged 618. Okay, 680 question is logged, so that's why we have directly shifted onto the 619 question which we are solving in MySQL. So let's start, and this is an easy one question which we are solving. Okay, and now there is total 5,91,008 people have submitted it, and only 4,12,834 people have accepted, and total acceptance rate is 70%, means that 69.8. Okay, so now there is only one topic has been included by the name of database, because like in these type of topics there is only one topic has been included by the name of database. Okay, so now I hope you understand it. So it has been given me a pandas schema and one SQL schema. Here you can see it. But we see the SQL scheme because we are solving in SQL. Okay, read it. Okay, okay. Create a table if not exists my number. Okay, 8, 8, 3, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now let's try to solve this question anyways. So now here I write my SQL query statement below. So let's write your my SQL query statement below. First of all, we define select max num as num from select num from my numbers group by num, and then having count. Here's a little bit code, okay. Num equals to 1 as nums, okay. Well, let's revise the question one more time. Okay, select max. Okay, here you define a rounded bracket, and then your rounded bracket till here, from here your rounded brackets will be. Okay, so now let's run this code, and when I run this code, so now the running code has been it has given me an error. You have an error in SQL syntax. Okay, by, okay, by the mistake I did not define by. Okay, it is giving me an error, test by number doesn't exit. Okay, sorry, here I do not define this colon, so define it, now run it. So now it has been giving me an error, still it is giving me an error. Table test dot number doesn't exit. Okay, let's see what type of error it has been given me. Okay, I think we defined this thing 2 times, so now let's run it. So now it has been accepted, you can see it. And there's only our both cases are accepted. In the case 1, our expected output is this, and also case same. In the case 2 is as well as. So now let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, now the submission code has been also be accepted, and I beat 5% people only, but I write 5 beats 5.01%. I write generally, okay, do not I write fake here, okay, in every question I beat 100%. I do not like that. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's video in which we solve our 619 question by the biggest single number. So if you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And here's my profile by the name, here's my link, playlist of LeetCode camp of questions, and you have completed 123 views, so please complete 500 views in this playlist. Okay, and I successfully completed 120 videos in this playlist. In this playlist there are total 120 videos we have completed so far. And one more thing I want to tell you that for paid promotions and anything, you will be email me at my email of rayyanbig1253@gmail.com. In my channel bio there is my email, here you can see it, and here I also posted my WhatsApp channel. So just you want to do it, copy this link, paste it on your browser, and then this channel has been came, then you can click on to view the channel, and then just you will be join my channel just like that. Okay, so now let me see you in the next video. Next video amazing video like that. Again, please complete 4,050 subscribers. So now let me see you in the next video. So for today, goodbye.